Need to turn on notifications on Booking.com app? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily turn on the notifications. Start by heading over to the settings on your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then head over to notifications. In this page, search for the application Booking.com and then move into it. Once you're inside the page, you have to enable this option of Allow Notifications, or else head over to Booking.com notification settings. In this page, move into Notifications. Tap on Allow. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Enable the button for the specific notification that you would like to receive, and after that you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can enable notifications on Booking.com. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.